This used to be a living organism, but guess what? It can still do some pretty cool stuff. Let's find out today.
Okay, so for the lemon lab, you will need 4 copper wire about 2 inches long, or just 4 pennies, 4 zinc nails, 5 alligator clips, and 4 lemons. But make sure to roll them to make sure they're extra juicy.
Yeah.
Squishy. Okay, so you're gonna stick 1 copper wire into one side. Oh, lemon!
Got it.
How did you do that? Oh, I got it. Like this, and then you're gonna stick the zinc nail into the other side. Oh, that was a lot easier. Like so.
Ta-da.
Okay, so you're gonna set up your lemons in a circle with another small LED light, and then you're gonna take your alligator clips and you're gonna attach it from one zinc nail to the copper wire of the next lemon. So you're gonna start off with this LED light, then you're gonna attach it to this zinc nail, and then the next alligator wire from this copper wire to this nail.
Then you're gonna take this alligator clamp it to that. That one just does not want to stay up.
Nope.
Then you're gonna attach it to this zinc nail right there. Then you're gonna take another one, attach it right there. Take this one, attach it right there.
Then you're gonna attach this yellow wire here, and then the magical moment. Here we go. Okay, so ready?
Alrighty, guys. The moment you've all been waiting for.
Yep, here we go.
And oh my god, it looks
so cool. Here,
oh, it's like an orangish. Oh, that's so
that
cool.
looks so cool. Literally with just lemons, not even a real battery. That is so sick.
So, how'd it go, H-Team? Guess what? Sometimes experiments don't work in science, and that is okay. We just redo it. But regardless, I would love if you would share your results to any of our HTH platforms, and then I'm going to give you some feedback. Can't wait to see what you did. Bye!
Hey everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.